Hello friends, in this video we see about thumb rule for multiplication. Let us take first one. First we write last digit as it is, that is 8. Next we add next two numbers 9 and 0, that is 9. Then 2 and 6, add it, that is 8. Next 8 and 3, that is 11. Write last number, that is 1. Remaining 1, add remaining number. 4 plus 1 is 5. Second problem, write last digit as it is 1. Then 4 plus 1, that is 5. Then 2 plus 4, that is 6. Then 8 plus 5, that is 13. Last number is 3. Then 1 is remaining, add 5 plus 1 is 6. Let's take third problem. Last number 2 as it is. Then 6 and 5, that is 11. 1 is remaining. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 6, that is 15. Then remaining 1. So here 8. Then last number is 2. Fourth problem. Last number 6. Then 4 and 5, that is 9. And 6 plus 5, that is 11. Remaining 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write 0. Remaining 1, add it first number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Next problem. Write last digit 9 as it is. Then 4 and 2 plus it, so is 6. Then 4 and 5, that is 9. Then 8 and 2, that is 10, 0, right? 1 is remaining plus 6, so 6 plus 1 is 7. Next problem. Last digit is 1 as it is 1. Then 4 and 2 summation, that is 6. Then 3 and 4, that is 7. Next 2 and 5, that is 7. Then 0 and 2, here we write 2. Go to next problem. So last number is 2. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 4 and 2, that is 6. Then 6 and 0, here 6. Then 2 and 4, that is 6. Remaining 0. Okay, its final answer is 66,672. Next ninth problem. Here last number is 8. Then 5 and 2 is 7. Then 6 and 5, that is 11. 1 is remaining, right, as it is. And 0 and 1, that is and 2 and 1 is 3. And remaining 4. Let us go to 10th problem. Last digit is 1. Then 4 and 2 is 6. And 3 and 1, it is 4. And 4 and 5, that is 9. And 8 and 6, that is 14. 1 is remaining, right? 1 is. Dodging table. First problems 375 into 2. So first we multiply 2 and last one 5. Then multiply 2 and 7, that is 14. Then multiply 2 and 3, that is 6. Next 0, last digit, and 4 plus 1 is 5. And remaining two terms is 6 and 1, that is 7. The final answer is 750. Next, first 1 and 3, that is 3. then 5 and 3, that is 15, then 3 and 2, that is 6, then last digit is 3 and 5 as it is, then 6 and 2 1 is 7, that is 753. Here when in question 257 the last digit is in 1, that time we consider in this step method. Third one, here last number 7 is multiplied with 5, 35, then 5 into 5, that is 25, then 3 and 5, that is a 15, then last 5 and 3, that is 8, and 2 and 5, that is a 7, remaining 1. The final answer is 1785. Next problem, 524 multiply 2. The last number is 4, is with respect to 2 is 8, then 2 into 2 is 4, then 5 and 2, that is a 10. So last digit 8 as it is, 4, then 1 0 as it is, 1048. Sixth one, 424 into 5. 4 and 5 is 20, 2 and 5 is 10, and 4 and 5 is 20. Then last digit 0, then 2 and 0 is 2, 1 and 0 is 1, 2 as it is, 2120. Next problem, 5 is multiplied with 2 is 10, then 3 and 2, that is 6, and 2 and 2 is 4. The final answer is last digit 0, and 6 plus 1 is 7, and 470. Then here 7 and 1 is 7, 2 and 7 is 14, 5 and 7 is 35, the last digit 7 as it is, then here 4, 5 and 1 is 6, remaining 3, 3647. Here how it comes 4 means we solved second problem 251, its last digit is 1. In this problem also last digit is 1. That time we do this step. We write third digit as it is. Next method, multiplication in general method. First question, 13 multiply 12. It is a easy trick. Here 13 and 12, right? First one last number is 3 and second one last number is 2. So multiply 3 and 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Then cross multiplication. How means 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Answer is 5. Right, 5. Then first two digit. See 1 and 1 is multiply 1. The final answer is 156. Next we go to second problem. Same step as it is in first problem. Here 14 and 16, right? First we multiply last number 4 and 6. That is 24. Then cross multiplication. 1 and 6. That is 6. Plus 4 and 1. That is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Right, 10. Then first two digit 1 and 1 is 1. The final answer is 4 as it is. Right, 4 as it is. Then 0 and 2, that is 2. Then 1 and 1, that is 2. 224. Next problem, 15 and 18. First 5 and 8. that is 40. 5 into 8 is 40. Then cross multiplication, 1 into 8 is 8, 5 into 1 is 5, so 8 plus 5 is 13. Then first two digit 1 and 1, that is 1. So final answer is 0 as it is. 4 and 3 is 7, then 1 plus 1 is 2. Final answer is 270. Next problem, 26 and 13. Here last digit 6 and 3, multiply 18. Then cross multiplication, 2 and 3 and 6 and 1. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Then first two digit 2 and 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2. The final answer is here 8 as it is. 2 and 1 3, 2 and 1 is 3. The final answer is 338. Next problem, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6, and 1 into 2 is 2, 8. Then first digit 3 and 1, that is 3. The final answer is 384. Next problem, 14 and 18. Last digit 4 and 8. 8 4s are 32. Then 1 into 8 is 8. 4 into 1 is 4. That is 12. Then first one digit 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Last two, 2 and 3 is 6. Sorry, 5. And 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 252 answer.